Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be reviewing the Tidio AI chatbot. If you're looking for a smart way to automate customer service and boost engagement on your website, Tidio's AI chatbot is a great option. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how it works, tips for best practices, and some common challenges you might face. Let's get started. Let's go through the step-by-step process of setting up and using Tidio's AI chatbot. First up, you need to set up or sign up for Tidio. Go to the Tidio website and sign up for an account. They offer a free plan, so you can try out the chatbot without any upfront cost. After signing up, you'll need to integrate the chatbot with your website. Tidio provides integrations with platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and others. You can also manually embed it using JavaScript code. 3. Access the chatbot dashboard. Once installed, navigate to the Tidio dashboard. Here you'll find pre-built chatbot templates to choose from or the option to build a custom chatbot using the visual drag and drop editor. 4. Create a chatbot flow. Select a template or build your flow from scratch. So we're going to go over here and create a flow. Like for example, proactive welcome message. We can use this template and then save our different things and then activate. For example, you can set up a flow for greeting users, answering common questions, or offering customer support. Simply drag and connect actions like send message, ask a question, or transfer to live agent. So let's install the Tidio chatbot so you can use it on all of these different types of websites. 4. Create a chatbot flow. Select 5. Enable AI response features. TDO's AI chatbot includes NLP or natural language processing to understand customer queries. You can enable AI features to handle FAQs or frequently asked questions, troubleshoot common problems, and suggest products. Number 6. You can train the AI. Customize the AI's training by inputting common customer queries and appropriate responses. The more you train it, the better it will handle diverse questions. 7. Test and launch. Test your chatbot flow using the preview feature. Once everything works as expected, activate the chatbot and monitor how it interacts with real users. Now, right now, I can't activate it because you need to add knowledge in the Data Sources tab. But once you do, you can click on Activate. Now, here are some key tips or best practices for Tidio's AI chatbot. Start with a pre-made template. If you're new to chatbots, use Tidio's pre-made templates. They cover a variety of use cases like lead generation, support, or product recommendations. Keep your flow simple. Chatbot interactions should be straightforward. Avoid overcomplicating the flow with too many branches. Stick to clear paths and concise questions. Use AI plus human support. When Tidio's AI can handle most queries, always provide an option for users to transfer to a live agent, especially for complex issues. Update regularly. Customer expectations change, so revisit your chatbot scripts and train the AI on new phrases or trends in customer behavior every few months. Common challenges or mistakes. Here are some common mistakes or challenges users face when setting up the Tidio AI chatbot and how to avoid them. Undertraining the AI. If you don't spend time training the AI with enough customer queries and responses, it may give vague or irrelevant answers. Make sure you feed it a variety of questions. Overcomplicating the flow. Some users try to make complex chatbot workflows from the start. This can confuse users. Start with a simple flow and gradually build on it as you gain experience. Ignoring analytics. TDO offers analytics to track your chatbot's performance, but many users overlook it. Always monitor performance, review interactions, and optimize accordingly. Tools or resources that might help. Here are some tools and resources that can help you along the way. TDO has an extensive help center filled with guides, tutorials, and FAQs to help you set up and optimize your chatbot. Zapier integration. If you need more automation, Tidio integrates with Zapier, allowing you to connect your chatbot to other tools like Google Sheets, CRM systems, and email marketing platforms. Live chat plus chatbot hybrid. Tidio allows you to combine live chat with chatbot functions. For tricky questions, your bot can hand off to a human agent seamlessly. A bit of a background, Tidio launched in 2013 as a live chat tool and has since evolved into a full service customer communication platform. Today, it's widely used by small and medium businesses to provide real time customer support and increase sales. Let's dive into some expert tips to enhance your chatbot's experience. Optimize conversational UX, leverage Tidio's AI learning, and segment audiences. That's it for our Tidio AI chatbot review and tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your AI chatbot.